Arthritis affects people in many forms: osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, fibromyalgia, and gout. There are around 50 million people in our country that suffer from arthritis based on information provided by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Of the different types, osteoarthritis is the one that most people are diagnosed with most often. While there are prescription medications and over-the-counter remedies that work to help relieve the pain caused by arthritis, there are foods that can contribute to easing the chronic discomfort of this incurable disease. The following list includes everyday foods you can pick up at your grocery store that can give you a temporary reprieve from the pain of arthritis. 1. Fish. The kinds of fish that helps the inflammation caused by arthritis contain omega-3 fatty acids. The inflammation that is a side effect of arthritis causes the joints to swell up and ache. Fish that contain omega-3 fatty acids are among the most powerful foods that fight this inflammation. Eating fish such as albacore tuna, salmon, Atlantic mackerel, lake trout, sardines, and herring in servings of 3 to 6 ounces up to 4 times a week should help. 2. Bananas. It is the rich supply of the potassium that bananas contain that help those suffering from arthritis. Potassium helps joints from calcifying and its ability to keep the body from retaining sodium, which ultimately leads to a buildup of fluids. The combination of phosphorus and calcium they contain helps to keep bone loss at a minimum. When people suffer from inflammation, they are more likely to lose many of the vitamins they take in. The folic acid, vitamin B6, and vitamin C found in bananas help to offset this loss. 3. Turmeric. This popular herb has been around for more than 2,000 years. Currently, it is used in Latin dishes, flavoring them and brightening them with its vivid yellow coloring. It has been discovered to be an effective pain reliever and is on the same level in effectiveness as many over-the-counter nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. The benefit of turmeric is that it is able to deliver the same pain-relieving effects without any of the side effects of other pain-relieving medications. 4. Dark chocolate. The reason this sweet treat made the list is that it is high in antioxidants. Chocolate that is made up of higher cocoa content, 60% or more, is what you should add to your daily regime. When choosing your dark chocolate, you will find that as the amount of cocoa goes up, the amount of sugar goes down. Sugar adds to inflammation, so enjoy dark chocolate that has a higher cocoa content. A half ounce of dark chocolate each day is the recommended dose to see some relief in your inflammation. 5. Broccoli. This vegetable, along with cabbage and Brussels sprouts, is in the cruciferous family. They contain sulforaphane, which has been proven to reduce the progression of cartilage damage caused by osteoarthritis. In addition, broccoli is packed with both vitamin C and K as well as calcium. 6. Green tea. This beverage is considered one of the most effective in treating inflammation caused by arthritis. Green tea contains a polyphenol that is called epigallocatechin 3-gallate, or EGCG. It is an active compound that has been found to be 100 times more powerful than vitamin C and vitamin E. It was proven to keep bones and cartilage from getting any worse.